Hey y'all, it's Mikey. Welcome to the farm. Are there any more hickory nuts in that tree?
What, you scared you might have to do this again? I don't see any.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I see, I see one.
Yes, I see a couple still.
Yeah, but nothing like this. I mean,
Okay. This is an every year thing.
yeah.
Try not to bust your butt coming up through here with all these hickory nuts.
Yeah.
The tree is nice and shady, but this is aggravating.
Yeah. Let me show y'all what we're dealing with here. If y'all look at this ground, is absolutely covered.
Yeah, and try walking on that when you're carrying feed and water.
Yeah. This is like probably about a 40, 50 foot circle of nothing but pure hickory nuts. And like she's saying, it's like walking on marbles at just how thick they are. So we're raking all these in. Oh, I'm almost busted my behind there twice. So we're raking all these up and gonna go dump them in the woods, and we are strongly debating on go ahead and cut that tree down.
Alright, you want to dump it?
Oh, we can't fit no more?
Go ahead and dump it. It's kind of cool.
Rocky is sitting there on that porch watching us with great interest.
Mm-hmm. He wants to know why his mama's having to do all the work.
He probably does. He probably does. But I tell you this, after thinking about it on the way over there, there's going to be some greatly appreciative squirrels that we're bringing all the nuts and piling them up in the woods for them because they're scared to come out here because of shepherd. So
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing too.
you taking them a dump truck load of daggone nuts.
Yeah, and an easy spot for them to get to.
Yes.
They don't have to worry about the guard dog
Yeah.
starting to lose steam. That's a lot of hickory nuts.
Yes, it is. This at least, if I had to guesstimate it, you got at least 300 to 400 pounds of hickory nuts, if not more.
Too bad they're not pecans.
Yes. We could take them and sell them. Make a good profit down here in South Carolina.
Yeah.
You can make a couple $100 off of about 4 pecan trees a year.
Yeah. That's what I miss about us being in Newberry.
Yeah, the pecan trees.
The pecan trees, we got a couple of them here, but it's hit or miss whether they actually have pecans in the shells every year. And this year we got lucky and actually got pecans in the shells again.
Yeah.
But Poppy planted those a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
But we had pecan trees everywhere in the yard in Newberry.
Yeah.
And we go out there and pick them up and take them to the pecan shell place.
Yeah. Sell them to them.
Yeah. It was good little extra side money.
Mm-hmm.
Just
And what's
picking up
amazing-
pecans in your yard.
And what's amazing is the place that you go get your pecan house down in Orangeburg.
Mm-hmm.
That's where all these pecan places take their pecans to. They
Pecans
sell
too.
them to them.
Yeah.
So all these little places take buy your pecans, and then they take them to the bigger place, and they make a profit off of it. So
Yep.
Anybody
Yeah.
ever wonders why their pecans get high?
Yeah. We're just the small man in the process.
Yes. We need to make a
Oh,
trip down there again and get you some more. What is it? Amaretto?
The amaretto chocolate covered pecan.
Yes.
Amaretto
We need to go
flavor.
down there and get you some.
Yeah, we got a bunch of limbs down too from these storms,
Yeah.
the high winds.
Yeah.
Got a good amount of limbs down. We need to get those up. But
Yeah. I can get those up while you get them. I'll get you the more. And you can buzz
Just-
over and cut these leaves up.
brush over. Yeah.
I mean, if you want, or you want to wait on the leaves to finish falling.
Well, I don't know. Sometimes when they get really thick, if I've found before in the past, if
hadn't
I
even-
could keep up with them, they're not as hard to mow
Yeah.
because they get so thick, and then it's hard to mow them.
Yes,
So-
it is. Yes, it is.
I
And
mean,
they-
I can go ahead and run over it, just clean it up a little bit, and just when we get more like this that fall,
yeah, because they hadn't
maybe
even
just
really.
try to keep up with it.
Yeah, they still green, with a little bit of brown on the edges. They just now getting, probably in another 2 or 3 weeks they'll be fell down.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do.
I see we got
Holly?
yeah.
No,
Mistletoe.
mistletoe. Excuse me,
Mistletoe.
mistletoe.
Yeah. Bunch of mistletoe up in that tree.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I ain't certain what to do with this tree. To be perfectly honest with you, it's too big for firewood. I couldn't even pick them things up all the way up. Shoot the whole tree, basically. I mean, seriously, if you cut that stuff into firewood lengths about 18, 19 inches, that tree, I can't even reach around it. I mean,
Well, I
wouldn't
don't
be
know.
able to
Some
pick-
of the limbs will be good.
Yeah, I can use the limbs, but none of this right here. I wouldn't be able to. The log split will split it,
Yeah.
but I ain't gonna be able to pick it up on the log split.
That's what you call an axe.
Shh, you wouldn't split that with no axe.
Oh.
Oh, you wouldn't split that. Not no hickory tree. Maybe an oak. That's just like splitting rubber or something. I'm gonna have to come from this way. Hey, I guess.
I don't know, it's so unlevel right there.
I don't know. We'll have to see.
I think if you come right here, it might be okay.
The tractor will be too unlevel. I tried.
Try to come right here. Come around. That's good. Pull it down. Push it down. That's good. That's good. See, that's what happens when you follow your wife's instructions. I can lead you in the right direction.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, but, well, I don't know if
Your
this
nuts
did.
are rolling out the bucket. I can hear them up here rolling
Yes,
around.
they're rolling because it's downhill.
Yes.
Let me see if I can get this. And see, this side right here is getting full.
Which side? The downhill side?
No, up still.
Oh.
This is why I'm saying it's so hard to rake when they're
Yes,
in
it
these
is.
piles like this. It gets so heavy.
I mean, I can cut the tree down. I guess if all else, we could just sit on the excavator. You split the wood, and I can pick the chunks up and gently set them on the thing, and we split them with the log splitter. But I'm gonna have to pick them up with the excavator. I cannot. There's no way. I can tell you now, I can't pick them up.
Yeah.
Even somebody young would be very hard pressed to pick.
I don't know. I mean, I really hate having to cut that tree down. I really do.
I do too.
Because I like the shade. But all this is,
Yes.
there's no grass growing. It's actually started getting grass around it since I've kept it like kind of raked off a little bit
Well, I mean, I can bring in
each year, but
I can bring in some like the manure stuff.
but we need to
and put some dirt in it. Maybe we'll try it. I mean, I don't mind cutting the tree if I could actually pick it up and get it on the log splitter and split it. But I hate cutting that thing and wasting that much tree.
Well, I know, but my thought is having to deal with all this every year. Because we've been having to do this
Yes,
for the
year.
past 2 years now.
Well, I mean, it ain't this.
Trying to get these up. And once you get these up, I mean, it's good leaves for the garden, but I don't want all the hickory nuts in the garden.
No. It's going to be a hard tree to cut, too, because it is. Now that
Yeah.
I look at it from this angle, it's actually leaning towards the...
Chicken house?
Yes.
Yeah.
I thought it was leaning down here.
I don't know.
I don't neither.
I don't know.
I do know if we have a good storm, hurricane, or something come through, or we have like quite a few days of rain, and then have some that makes the ground saturated, and then we have a wind, it's gonna come down.
Probably.
Cause you can see the hump on the other side where it's done pulled the dirt up. The good thing is you're almost through.
Huh? Do what?
You're almost through. You really don't need to go no more up there. All we got's over there on the other side of the tree.
Yeah.
And there ain't that many over there. Cause
Yeah, we still got over there and a little bit down the hill, but down the hill's easy to rake.
Yeah, we can
rake
cut.
it downhill.
You can cut those if you want.
I don't know. They sure do mess up a lawnmower blade. I know that.
Yes, they do. And y'all, them things is so hard that when you hit them with the mower, they actually on a commercial mower deck, they'll actually leave dents in the mower deck.
Stay up there. Okay.
You want me to move?
I don't know. Let me try to get this up in here. All right. Just scoped up that. It's all on one side.
All right. Shep just noticed his cows over there in the other part of the pasture.
He's gone over there to check it out.
Mm-hmm. I guess we can walk them over there and show them my next project, and I'll go get the lawnmower for you. You can buzz over and grind these
Still
leaves
got to
up.
get sticks and stuff up in here.
Yeah, that's true. I've been trying to grab some. That's what I was going to do, grab some of them sticks. Or go down there and shovel up some of that, the magnolia leaves you raked yesterday. I mean, that ain't got to come down. They can come and go right now. I mean, they can come and go as they want. The gate, I just took it off. So we gained the gate, actually.
Yeah. All right.
Walk y'all over here and show y'all one of the next projects we got going on. All right, this is, thank you. All right, this is the fence that's running down from behind the barn. This is that new pasture that I had built. Goes down to that corner there and then way through the woods and back around. Excuse me, it's trying to focus on my finger, and back around up there to the point. So this is the pasture that I had built for Loretta and Nelson. And y'all, looking at the fence, I thought it was pretty good. Wasn't nothing wrong with the fence. I was just gonna keep this and use it as a pasture. But after coming over here, let me show y'all real close, and I'm sure y'all can see now. I don't know if it's showing up on camera really good. There's nothing here. Them goats have completely ripped the fence wide open there and destroyed it there. It's been up. And let's walk down here. And I knew about this spot. Let me zoom y'all out. I knew about this spot. They've ripped all this out, and I stuck a stick down in it just to keep it. But they done ripped all this wire off. Hey, Daisy. Hey, Daisy. You come to see what I was doing? So what I'm gonna do is just take the fence down on this corner right here and let the fence come down here, hit that corner, run all the way up there in the woods, back around, all the way up there, and back over there to the corner of the barn, and then just take all this fence, and we've already reclaimed the gate that's sitting over here behind me. So we'll gain a gate, a bunch of T-posts, and the cows can just have all this pasture, which is about almost an acre, fenced in. So they're already over there investigating it, so let them enjoy themselves. What you think, Nancy? I don't know if I'm gonna get all of this in the bucket or not. I'm hoping. Wanted to show you all where we've been dumping everything all day. Got locked the gate back.
What you doing, buddy?
I think we got enough nuts we could give everybody in South Carolina a nut for Christmas. Give everybody one sticker nut.
I think we got enough nuts. We don't need to spread anymore.
No, that's the truth. That's the truth.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. There's quite a few nuts out there. And
Unfortunately.
I ain't talking about the yard.
No. I got to get this on film
Oh,
with the rake.
don't do that. People might get used to using one of these things.
Yeah, we know you don't like using a rake.
Alrighty. That's enough of that. Oh, the cows are having fun over there in their new
Too
little
tired to
park.
bend over and pick up the rake. Ooh, about to fall. That's what I get for picking on you.
Yeah.
Having a hard time getting up and down in the garden.
Yeah. That's what happens when you pick on people.
Yep. Payback.
Yes.
That old-fashioned karma.
Yeah.
Y'all come back and see us soon.